preparing for my competitive examination. Now the major thing that comes into mind is how many hours should I devote to solving an MCQ? Very important question, very relevant question in mind. The thing is, if your exam is of little far by, let's say you have a gap of 8 months, 1 year, then it's a good suggestion to focus on theory concepts at this time, because focusing on multiple choice questions at this point of time would not be a judicious decision. What you can do is focus on concepts, build strong concepts, have good understanding, and closer to the examination, 2 months, 3 months near to the examination, you can start practicing MCQ questions. Now when you are practicing multiple choice questions, keep it in mind that one thing is at least 1/3 of the time you should devote to MCQs. So if you are studying around 8 hours, devote around 2 to 3 hours for MCQs. That's one of the important things. The second other important thing is whatever you are doing wrong in MCQ, take time to go back and study those in detail, and that would actually help you brush up the concepts. Probably in the first round you had an overview about it, but when you did a mistake in the MCQ, you are coming back to that question, you would have a greater in-depth understanding about the same thing. So it's definitely judicious to study or to solve MCQs, but closer to the examination, practice as much as you can, and also try to do past papers before appearing for your examination.